Video! Alright guys, I'm going to run a video here. Top 3 each win a Bob Uecker talking bottle opener. We are going to go live. 7:13 p.m. We will type live. We are live. 7:13. Grab the list. Spots. And we will drop that in. 18 entries, top 3 win. Ben Decker on the bottom. And the top. Alright, we're going to roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. And we have a 5. That's good. We're going 5 times. Here we go. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 times. Next click, top 3 spots win. Good luck. And 5. Congrats to Ben Decker, and Marcus. You guys are the winners. Get in touch with Jeff Scott. He'll get those out to you. We are done. 7:14 p.m. We will type done. We are done. 7:14. 7:14. Here is the verification and timestamp.